Guys, this one feels effortlessly luxurious while remaining incredibly comfortable for everyday wear. The fabric is soft, silky, and wonderfully smooth against the skin. Its lightweight construction creates an airy and comfortable experience. The subtle sheer finish adds a touch of elegance and modern style. Friends, the overall design feels refined without being overly complicated. The waistband rests comfortably and stays secure throughout the day. It provides a reliable fit while maintaining a relaxed feel. The breathable material helps keep you feeling fresh and comfortable. Even after many hours of wear, it remains light and pleasant. The stitching is precise and carefully finished. Every detail reflects thoughtful craftsmanship and attention to quality. The fabric texture feels premium and gentle to the touch. Nothing feels restrictive or uncomfortable. It creates a smooth and polished appearance under different outfits. The fit feels natural and flattering from every angle. It moves effortlessly with your body throughout the day. The overall construction feels durable and dependable. The material maintains its shape beautifully over time. Friends, that's a feature that adds real value to a daily essential. The minimalist styling gives it a timeless and versatile appeal. It looks sophisticated without relying on excessive details. The refined finish adds a subtle touch of luxury. Everything feels balanced, polished,